Alright, so in this section we learn how to solve equations in the form of a to the power x equals to b if it's not clear enough. Generally what you do is you log both sides. Okay, log both sides. Okay, so you get this, so you can bring x down, so x log a is equals to log b. Okay, and x equals to log b divided by log a. So this is in general what you actually do. Okay, this is a b. If you can't see it, let me write it down carefully here. Okay, so let us attempt a few questions. Okay, 6 to the power x plus 2 equals to 21. Okay, you log both sides. Okay, x plus 2 equals to log 21. Okay, you can bring x plus 2 down. Okay, x plus 2 times log 6 over log 21. Okay, x plus 2 equals to log 21 over log 6. Now x equals to log 21 over log 6 minus 2. Okay, eventually your answer will be approximately minus 0.301. Okay, so this is just an example. What if you have e to the power of 3x equals to 9? Okay, if you see e, what you do is you ln both sides. Okay, instead of logging, you ln both sides. Okay, equals to ln 9. Now remember, ln is actually log base e. Alright, so when ln e is actually log base e to e, and this will give you 1. Okay, so ln e will give you 1. So let me just write 3x times ln e equals to ln 9. Okay, 3x equals to ln 9. X equals to ln 9 over 3. X is therefore approximately equal to 0.732. Alright, so this is how you solve equations in the form of a to the power of x equals to